Hello my dear friends, welcome back to the class. Before summer vacation we are learned about what? Yes, that's a tissues and different forms of tissues, types of tissues and different kinds of tissues. Okay. And today we are going to discussing another chapter, that is photosynthesis. Okay. What photosynthesis? I hope all of you know about this photosynthesis. Yes, what is photosynthesis? Do you know the idea about? Yes, what is photosynthesis? Okay. Okay, let us see. See, all living things need energy to live. All living things need energy to live. All living things need what? Energy to live. Energy. All living things need what? Energy. For what? To live. Okay. And this energy comes from where? Yes, that's right. Food. This energy that comes from where? Food. So all living things need energy to live, and these come from food. Okay. So in case of plants, here we are going to discussing about plants, how they are synthesize food. Okay. What that process called? What that process called? Yes, that's right, photosynthesis. What? Photosynthesis. So here we are going to discussing the topic photosynthesis. Okay. So what is the meaning of photosynthesis? Photo means, yes, light. What? Light. Photo means what? Light. And synthesis means to combine. So light combine to what? Yes, some different materials, and what that form? Food. Okay. So plant get their food in different ways. Okay. Plant get their food in different ways, not only one way, different way they will get the food. We are also getting different ways the food, not only one way. Yes, like that the plants get their food in different ways. So they use a process. They use a process that is called what? Photosynthesis. Okay. And you know, the term photosynthesis was first coined whom? Barnes. Who? Barnes. Okay, the term photosynthesis was first coined Barnes in 1898. Okay. In 1898, Barnes first coined the term photosynthesis. Is it clear? Okay. Photosynthesis is the most common method of synthesis of food, which is done by all green plants. Okay. Which is done by all green plants. Is it clear? Okay. How the plants make food, otherwise synthesize food. Green plants make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Okay, green plants make their food, their own food. Okay, green plants make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Okay, their own make the food. We can't able to make food itself. That means our body can't able to make the food itself. Okay, but in case of all the green plants can able to make their own food. Okay, so that process is called what? Photosynthesis. Is it clear? Okay, so how they can make the food? Just think about plants take water from soil. How? We have already learned the plant tissues. Which tissues are helps to absorb the water from soil to plant? Which tissues helps? Yes, that's right. Xylem. Okay, xylem that helps to absorb the water from the soil. Okay, so the roots. Okay, roots having more xylem. Okay, plant root having more xylem tissue and take water from the soil through the veins. That vein is called what? Xylem. Okay, so this water goes through the xylem. Okay, at this absorbed water that goes through the xylem, where this water reached? Yes, of course, that's in the leaf. Why this water reached on the leaf? Yes, that's right. The leaves are kitchen of the plant. Okay, leaves are kitchen of the plant. Okay, yeah. So this water, the water that goes through the leaf, then what happened? Then it start to make the fruit. No, the leaves absorb the what? Atmospheric carbon dioxide, CO2. Okay, the leaf absorb the atmospheric carbon dioxide. Okay, into plant. Okay, so the leaves take carbon dioxide from the air into plants. Okay, let's start the process. This carbon dioxide that mix with water. Okay, carbon dioxide. Okay, the leaves that take atmospheric carbon dioxide. Okay, into the plants, and the leaves already having what? Water. And this water and carbon dioxide mixed together, that is combined together. How they are combined? Yes, with the help of energy. Which energy? Sunlight. Okay, so the sunlight that helps to mix the water and carbon dioxide. Okay, sunlight that helps to mix the water and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, and this form what? Simple carbohydrates. What? It's form as simple carbohydrates. Actually, this simple carbohydrate, that is a type of sugar. Okay, simple carbohydrate, that is a type of sugar. So this is known as what? This simple carbohydrate, that is known as glucose. So what is the food of the plant? What is the food? Yes, that is glucose. Okay, the glucose is a plant food. Okay, glucose is a plant food. It gives the plant energy to grow. Okay, and this glucose that gives the energy to grow the plant. Is it clear? Okay, thank you.